Men are convinced more quickly and certainly by what they see than by what they hear. It is not, "Let your lips speak," but, "Let your light shine." The living epistle is not known and heard of all men, but known and read. We are going to explore how your silent testimony, your daily choices, your kindness, your integrity can inspire, impact, and transform lives. Babcock calls it the living epistle. Your life is a letter that is being read every single day. People may not hear your speech. They may not read your words, but they see you. Consider the Good Samaritan. He didn't announce his compassion. He didn't write a pamphlet on helping others. He acted, and in doing so, he left an eternal mark on the hearts of those who observed his mercy. Your silent testimony can be as simple as showing up when someone is in need, offering forgiveness when it's hard, or maintaining integrity when no one is watching. Each of these small actions is a spark, and sparks, when multiplied, illuminate entire communities. Every act of integrity, kindness, and courage creates a ripple. You may never see the full impact. A teacher's patience could change the course of a student's life. A small gesture of love could restore someone's faith in humanity. A moment of honesty could set a precedent for generations. Picture your life as a book. Every day, every hour, every action is a sentence. What story are you writing? Is it a story of hope, courage, love, and integrity? Or is it a story that leaves people questioning, wondering, or confused? You have the power to write a story that people will read with admiration, a story that inspires them to be better, to love more, to act with courage. So start today. Shine without waiting for recognition. Serve quietly. Forgive sincerely. Stand firmly. Love generously. Let your life be a living epistle that others can read, feel, and be transformed. Lord, help us to live as living epistles. Help us to shine with integrity, kindness, and courage. May our lives inspire, uplift, and transform those around us. Amen.